everyone, welcome back to channel Sehat Sexy and Fit. Today, me and my partner, we're going to show you 5 yoga poses that you should do every day to get your body fit, your hip flexible, your spine strong and long, of course. Basically, to make the whole of your body fit, these 5 poses you should not skip. Halo semua, selamat datang kembali di channel Sehat Sexy and Fit. Hari ini saya bersama dengan partner saya Yeni, dan kita akan menunjukkan kepada Anda 5 gerakan yoga, dan ini sangat penting dan Anda seharusnya tidak melewatkannya. Apa dan seperti apa gerakan yoganya? Ini dia, kami akan mulai. Align your wrist to your shoulder. Now from here, let's combine cat and cow pose. Slowly drop your spine down onto cow pose. Gently open up your neck, and from here press your heels down and scoop your tail on. Bring your neck to your chin, and from here, as you exhale, drop down your spine. May gaze up, and inhale, spine lifted high, and exhale, bring it down. You can repeat this time 5 times, even up to 10 times, and lift the spine, and exhale, bring it down. And from here, we're going to go to downward facing dog, because that one's really great to alleviate any back pain. So mainly for your back. This time we're gonna work on our hamstring. Press your palms and pick up your knees onto downward facing dog. That's it. Here you can modify your downward facing dog if necessary with knees bent. Now press your palm. This is the inversions of letter U. And from here to opening hip, lifting one leg. Engage your whole arms, you make that big step and resting the side of your leg. Keep your shoulders square and your hips are aligned. And from here, you may untap your toes. You may stay here for some time. This work for your hip. And now from here, soften the hips and slowly bring your arms all the way down, resting your forehead. Hang up here, maybe for 5, even to 10 deep breaths. Now assume you're done with this pose, and now we're gonna twist a little bit. Shift onto your side right, and bring that leg all the way to the front of you and across that leg. Now try to lengthen your spine and uplift the arm and turn your gaze across to the side. Yes, that's it. So we have that too. Let's stay here for a second. Now here we go, come out from the pose and bring that leg again back all the way back. Have the hands underneath that shoulder, and from there press it firmly and up onto downward facing dog. And we do to the other side. Now here we go, left leg up. Swing it forward. Keep your shoulders square, hips aligned. And now untap that toes, and you may reach your hands forward, rest your forehead. Let's stay here for 3 breaths. Dua. Dulu. Now here we go. Let's think that this is already done. And up, and bring that leg. Softening from hip first and bring it all the way across that leg. Create space on your rib cage, lengthen that spine. You may raise your arms here and slowly out to your right side. Follow with your gaze over the right shoulder. Now twist it, hang up here for 3 or 5 breaths. Let's come out from this pose and bring that right leg all the way back again, and hands underneath your shoulder and press them. And here we go, out to downward facing dog. Over the hamstring and forward it back. And now, here we go, drop your knees down. Think about to lengthening the spine and rest your forehead, rest your shoulder, rest your head. This is really relaxing pose. So and from here, you may lift your torso and slide your hands. Here we go. So that's it. 5 yoga poses you should not skip before you start your day. Now we're gonna break it one by one, how it looks and how it feels. Posenya, kucing, dan juga sapi dipadukan. Now what we're going to do is dropping that lumbar down. diturunkan lumbarnya karena ini akan meningkatkan fleksibilitas dari spinal, bukan memanjangkan. Nah, dari sini diangkat ke atas tinggi setinggi-tingginya sampai itu dagu, until the neck to your chin dekat. Lalu buang nafas, turunkan lagi, and now as you release, drop it down all the way. Nice curl, nice curl, nice curl. You can repeat that 3 more times, 3 kali lagi. Now up, inhale, nice core strength, and exhale, down. 1 more time, scoop it up, lift the spine. And exhale, drop it down. Easy, 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 easy. Here we go. And now from here, all the way to downward facing dog. What's happening downward facing dog? Apa yang terjadi downward facing dog? Nah, ini dia masternya ya. Jadi formasinya dia memang sempurna. Lihat ini memanjang. Dan hamstringnya dia memanjang juga. But for beginners, untuk beginners, you might need to make that knees bend. That's it. Karena ingat, untuk downward facing dog kalau dipaksa itu bisa juga mengoyak hamstring Anda, and we don't want that. Kita harus avoid itu. So this is the options you can make. Now bisa tetap dilihat spinalnya itu memanjang, dan bagi yang tubuhnya ada seperti ini, this is the best pose for you. That's it, really nice one. Here we go. We continue to open hips, one leg up. Nah sekarang, kenapa ini membuka pinggul? Nah ketika dia mengangkat itu, ini terbuka. Nah sekarang dia akan turun ke pigeon pose. Nah ini kotak ke depan, tidak miring ke samping, tidak ke samping sana. Square, beautiful. Nah kalau terlalu sulit, Anda bisa taruh di sini block. Nah hips align, beautiful. Nice, good one. You have that spinal as well working the same time. Dan ini juga spinalnya itu ada curlnya ya, artinya fleksibilitas di tulang vertebrata juga dibuat oleh pose ini. Now here we go, maybe go down all the way, reaching your hands forward. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. Nice, 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 nice. Relax and breathe. And now, bisa ditahan beberapa lama. Let's come up from this pose. We do to the other side. And now pressing the palms as you breathe in. Yes, that's it. Benar. Nah sekarang ke twisting. Twisting bahasa Indonesianya memutar ya. Itu bisa juga detoxifying ya, membersihkan untuk pencernaan, metabolisme. Bagus. Now slowly raise your arms, open up that rib cage from here, keeping that spine long. Biarkan dia memanjang. And now all the way rotate. Now you see that the twist she has now here. Beautiful. Now engaging here, ini kuat di bawah. Nah sekarang, you may release the pose. And bringing that leg down, sending it back, all the way back. And now pressing the palms, and mari kita lakukan ke satunya lagi. Nah sekarang kita dari downward facing dog, kita akan masuk ke pose counter pose sebagai pose untuk relaksasinya. Drop your knees down. Lalu kita duduk di atas paha. Ada 2 pilihan, tangan bisa di sana dan tangan bisa di samping. So, sekarang kita bisa keluar. So that's it, the yoga for you. Don't forget to practice that at home and let us know how you feel. Saya akan post semuanya, saya akan buat semuanya di bagian dari video ini, di bawah di penjelasan video ini. Jangan lupa untuk mencek termasuk Instagramnya dia, termasuk juga YouTube-nya dia. Terima kasih untuk menonton dan sampai jumpa kembali di video saya berikutnya. Wow, I think we did it.